Welcome back to Recreational Garage. In this episode, we are pivoting a little bit. I've been working under the dash, trying to get all the electronics mounted, and I'm running into some issues with just spacing and placement, so there's just not as much room under there as I'd hoped. So I'm thinking about some stuff and just want to step back from it for a little bit and just kind of really think about everything before I commit to anything else. So we are going to pivot and start working on mounting this radiator. You can see this gap here. We're going to end up cutting a little bit of this material out here just to get that to sit back in there a little bit more flush, and then we're going to make it mount on the bottom and the top. So it's going to be some cutting, grinding, and welding and stuff on this, but once that's in, I can order everything to do the coolant lines, and it's just another thing we can check off while I'm contemplating on the electronics. So anyway, let's get to it and just see how far we can get on getting this radiator mounted. All right, made a bit of progress this week on the radiator mounts. Got this all cut out on both sides. It's looking pretty good. Off camera, there was an overlap flap piece down here. I cut that out all there. What we're gonna do on these lower pieces here is we're gonna notch this out and then weld in some new pieces and make a spot for the radiator to just kind of sit down into these brackets here. That'll basically be our lower mount. And then we'll add a top mount that bolts in up here is the plan. So this is going good. I do think I've got it figured out what I want to do with the electronics under the dash. So once we get done with the radiator mount here, we'll move back to that. Anyway, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.